Do you hear that roar? That's not just a sound. It's the voice of pure power. Welcome to the world of muscle cars, a world where speed, strength, and style create legends. Today, we'll race through the decades and witness the evolution of muscle cars, from the very first beast to the ultimate road monster. Ready? Then buckle up. 1960s, the birth of legends. It all started in 1964 when the Pontiac GTO launched a new era, a massive V8, aggressive design, and a thirst for raw power. Then came the Chevrolet Camaro SS, 1967, challenging the Ford Mustang Shelby GT350, 1965. But the real game changer arrived in 1968, the Dodge Challenger SRT, a machine built to dominate the streets. 1970s, peak power, the beasts kept getting stronger. The Plymouth HEMI Cuda, 1970, with its legendary 426 HEMI, the Chevelle SS 454, 1970, packing an insane 450 horsepower, and the stylish Dodge Challenger SRT 1971 ruled the roads until the oil crisis forced them to hit the brakes. 1980s, the fight for survival. But even dark times couldn't kill the spirit of muscle cars. The Chevrolet Camaro Z28 1982 and the turbocharged monster Buick GNX 1987 proved that legends don't die, they adapt. 90s, the return of power, the evolution continued. The Ford Mustang SVT Cobra 1993 and the Chevrolet Camaro SS 1998 reignited the passion of muscle car fans. 2000s, the second golden age. It was time to revive the classics. The Ford Mustang GT 2005 and the Dodge Challenger SRT 2008 brought muscle cars into a new era. 2000s superpowers unleashed, but the best was yet to come. The Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 2015 with 650 horsepower, and the true king, the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 2018, capable of hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds, took muscle cars to an entirely new level.